Let's go ahead and break the seals. This is the first time I'm seeing this phone. Hopefully the first time you're seeing it as well. So let me go and open this real gently like. That should be good. Breaking the seal. Okay, so there it is, the Revvl 2 Plus. This thing feels pretty good in the hand, I'm not gonna lie. It's got a 6-inch Full HD Plus display, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which I'm super excited for. It does have a MediaTek processor, which we'll see how that works. I've never used MediaTek before, but we'll see. I'm not gonna say it's not gonna be good. It's got a 12 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel other camera for the portrait shots. It's got a fingerprint sensor right here on the back, which is my favorite spot for the fingerprint sensor. I think it feels actually really nice in the hand. It's also got USB-C on the bottom, which is awesome. Headphone jack on the top, IR blaster as well. And you know what? These pink accents on the power button, I kind of like it, I'm not gonna lie. It gives the phone a little bit of pop to it, which not bad. So I'm gonna set that aside for now. We also have SIM card, welcome guide, don't need that. And we have charger, Type-C cable, there you go. This phone does have fast charging, although I'm not sure what specification that is. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this taken off real quick. Power it up. On a first glance, I'm impressed with this screen. This is a Full HD Plus screen, and I mean, so far this pink T-Mobile logo looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna quickly go through the setup process. So far feels snappy. Test the fingerprint sensor. It also has face unlocking. I'm going to skip that for now. Let me go and test this fingerprint sensor real quick. Feels very quick. Phone gets very bright. It looks very good to me. Also gets pretty dim as well. Not bad, not bad. Okay guys, I'm gonna be using this phone for my daily driver for the next week or two, and I will come back with a full review for you shortly thereafter. Like I said, first impressions, this phone feels very nice in my hand. So we'll see what happens, guys. Thanks for watching. And we'll